Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Again, I created this YouTube channel to help you guys out when you are in the process of buying life insurance. Today's topic, we will be talking about medical exams. So every week I drop a topic that'll help you guys out, educate you guys. Today we'll be talking about what are medical exams, and are medical exams always required when you are applying for life? All right, so number one, right? So what are medical exams? So medical exams are sometimes required in the underwriting process when purchasing life insurance. So what those specifically are is basically a nurse will either come out to your home or you will go to a nursing facility, and what they'll do is they will check your blood, they will check your urine, and they'll also check your height and weight. And that is very integral part of the acceptance process in the life insurance, because they're checking to make sure you don't have any cancers, any HIVs. They're making sure, your blood, is working right. They're also making sure that you're not using any type of narcotics. I will say in this, new day and age, that marijuana is really not that big of an issue as it may have once been back in the day. But they still do, urine tests, whether you are in a, non-legal marijuana state or even in a legal marijuana state. And again, every life insurance company will be a little bit different as far as if marijuana is an issue. Most times it's probably, not going to be. And again, so these are not things that take a long time. Most people do have the nurse come out, to their home. That way it's quick and easy. Takes about maybe 15 minutes. I know they ask you some health questions as well. But medical exams are not always required in the life insurance application process. So if you are looking for like burial insurance or what people call final expense insurance, medical exams 9 times out of 10 are not required for those type of policies. Now for term and other permanent policies like whole life or universal life, they may be required. Now, what these insurance companies do is they have separated fully underwritten life insurance and accelerated underwritten life insurance, right? And the difference between the accelerated life insurance, basically that they're not gonna, do any type of medical exams. All they're gonna do is take the information that you put on your application, and they're gonna look at your medical records. And from then, they can decide, okay, hey, you're either accepted or you're declined. Now, I will say when it does come to accelerated applications, there is a higher chance for you to get declined, because when things pop up on your medical records, they don't take the time out to investigate, what it is. So from experience as an insurance broker, I've had people get declined on accelerated applications due to, something on their prescription history. And then when we applied for a fully underwritten, they got approved because the insurance company found out that the medication was for, I think it was for anxiety or something like that. So like I said, when it comes to accelerated accelerated underwriting applications, they do not look too deep into your information. So unless you're, young and healthy, or maybe you're healthy and you've never had any type of medical conditions, I would advise you to do a fully underwritten application. That way you're just not wasting your time doing the accelerated and then they end up just declining you. So when it comes to fully underwritten applications, they will require a medical exam. And then also they'll actually, go into, deep into your medical history to see, what kind of prescriptions you were taking or any type of surgeries that you've ever had, stuff like that. So like I said, medical exams are not always required with life insurance. I have had clients, get approved, within a week without having to do a medical exam. There are also life insurance companies out there that have applications to where they'll send you some information, they'll send you some questions, basically asking about your health, and based off how you answer those questions and based off your medical history on your medical report, they can go ahead and, just accept you, pretty fast. And if not, if they can't accept you pretty fast, then, they may require a medical exam. For those companies, like I said, medical exam is not always required. They'll try to get you approved, as quick as possible. But if they can't, due to something, in your past, then they'll just have you get a medical exam. But there's nothing wrong with getting medical exams. They're actually good for you. Because it could be something on a medical exam, something wrong with you that you may not know about. You know what I'm saying? But again, I thank you guys for subscribing so much. Every week, I will drop a new video to help you guys out with your buying process when it comes to life insurance. Please subscribe to this page, and I thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you.